Hey y'all, I'm Miss Katie. Heritage Ways is where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. We live here in Heritage House, a village homestead on the edge of Amish country in mid-Ohio. Today, I am making a heritage recipe. It is a classic. Now, I know many of y'all probably have been making this for years. But did you know we have a lot of younger people here watching, walking life with us and watching here at Heritage Ways. The demographics is usually my age or older, which is awesome, but we also have 18-year-olds and up. And a lot of those ladies and gentlemen have told me that they are appreciating these older recipes and the heritage stories. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're interested in home or heritage or hope, I would like for you to consider subscribing to our channel and click the bell so you can get notifications whenever I put out a new video, and also so you can get the things that I put out on the community tab, which are posts, kind of like Facebook or Instagram, kind of like that. Okay, well today, if you will remember back, this summer, I acquired a lot of heritage, well, 2 or 3 collections of somebody's granny, 2 or 3 grannies. Today, I'm going to make the 5-cup salad. 5 cups, easy peasy. Stick with me. Let's have some fun putting together 5 items for a salad for tonight's supper. 5 items: a cup of coconut, a cup of mini marshmallows, a cup of sour cream, a can of drained mandarin oranges, and a can of pineapple tidbits, or if you have rings, if you want to, cut those up, or pineapple chunks, or if you just had crushed pineapple. So drained, and then Mr. Patient likes to drink the pineapple juice out of that. I'm going to assemble all of this into a salad for tonight's supper. Says to let it set overnight. I think a few hours is going to be fine before we eat supper. I'm going to take one little taste. Little Miss Homemaker declined to be in the video today. I asked her if she wanted to be, and she said no thank you, but she said anything made with mandarin oranges has got to be good. So let me we got the pineapple and the coconut going on. Hey, this could be an Easter dish, a spring dish, a summer. It could be a great, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year. So I'm going to taste it. Oh, I bet you could put a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. Anyway, basic 5 cup. It is good, but I'm going to tell you, this is one of those salads that probably has to marry. If you're a new cook, marry, M-A-R-R-Y, like get married. I think that's the sign language for get married. Not this, I did this. That would be a bad marriage. Marry means the flavors to come together. To set and come together. You know how some things are better the next day? That's because the flavors married. Anyway, great salad. Looking forward to having this at supper time. Remember y'all, faith over fear, and remember, freedom and truth are worth fighting for. See y'all next time. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage House Kitchen. Hey y'all, I am Miss Katie. We are Heritage Ways, where we honor home. Really? Let's try that again. Hey y'all, I'm Miss Katie. Heritage Ways is where